The Igloo Pro Hypothermia blanket is a vital tool in emergency medical care, meticulously designed to stabilise and maintain body temperature during critical situations. Its advanced construction and user-friendly features make it indispensable for individuals, first responders and medical professionals. The blanket is made up of a unique triple-layer design that enhances thermal retention. Each layer serves a particular function of insulation, heat reflection and protection, ensuring rapid and effective temperature stabilisation. Incorporated within the blanket is a reflective metallic layer that directs heat back towards the user, effectively capturing and retaining body warmth. Despite its robust construction, the blanket is lightweight. The blanket features a reusable adhesive tape closure, allowing for secure fastening and easy access when needed. The Igloo blanket utilises a 3-layer system to combat hypothermia effectively. The outer layer provides a barrier against wind and moisture, the middle insulating layer traps warm air, and the inner reflective layer redirects body heat back to the individual. This combination ensures that the user's core temperature is maintained, crucial in preventing hypothermia during emergencies. The blanket is easy to use. First, remove the blanket from its packaging and unfold it completely. Place the blanket over the individual, ensuring complete coverage from head to toe. The reflective side should face the person inward to maximise heat retention. Use the integrated reusable adhesive tape to fasten the blanket securely around the individual, ensuring it stays in place while allowing for necessary medical access. Regularly check the individual's condition, adjusting the blanket to maintain optimal warmth and comfort. The Igloo blanket is available in multiple sizes to accommodate various needs. All sizes are available in high visibility emergency orange and coyote brown, catering to different operational requirements. For more information and to buy Igloo blankets, please get in touch with us.